Meet the new Cypress infant car seat. Cypress comes with the Alpine base, which is equipped with click-tight technology for secure installation without the struggle. The infant seat also includes an extra belt path on the back for security when installing without the base. The car seat cover features double knit melange accents, which have a soft sheen and a smooth finish. No more hand washing or waiting for fabrics to air dry. The Safe Wash car seat cover is washer and dryer friendly, so cleanup is easy. The seat cover is made with naturally flame-retardant fabrics for all the protection without all the chemicals. 3 padded inserts help create a cozier and more customized fit. 2 of the inserts layer behind your baby's head and neck, while the third sits underneath them for support. The right size system provides adjustment points at the shoulders, hips, and between the legs to create your baby's perfect fit from the start. The infant seat's UPF 50+ canopy comes equipped with a flip-out sun visor for more protection while in the car or out for a stroll. The canopy's extra-large window has a quiet magnetic closure for those frequent check-ins along the way. Cypress is slim, lightweight, and easy to carry. It also features an aluminum carry handle that easily adjusts with one hand. The slim, space-saver design helps free up backseat space while giving your little one plenty of room for the ride. The Alpine base includes the steel rebound-reduced stability bar to help minimize movement in the event of a crash. Britax's exclusive Safe Cell technology is designed to help manage energy and minimize crash force transfer to your baby. Cypress offers convenience, premium style, and trusted Britax safety so you can cherish the journey together.